What if I told you a simple 5-cent coin sitting in your pocket right now could be worth more than your monthly salary or even a brand new bike? Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, some 1982 P. Jefferson nickels are secretly worth big money, and most people spend them without even checking. So before you use your next nickel, watch this video till the end, because you might be holding a hidden treasure. Part I. What is the 1982 P. Jefferson nickel? The 1982 Jefferson nickel is a very common coin in the United States. But don't let that fool you. I features. Front, Thomas Jefferson's portrait back, the famous Monticello building, his home. P mint mark means it was made in Philadelphia. Mint millions were produced, but only a few are valuable. Part 2. Coin weight and metal details. Very important. Now this is where things get interesting. The standard 1982 P nickel has weight 5.0 grams metal, 75% copper, 25% nickel diameter, 21.2 millimeter. But here's the secret. If your coin has wrong weight or unusual metal, it could be an error coin worth thousands. Part 3. How much is a 1982 P nickel worth? Let's break it down clearly. Normal value. Circulated coin. 5 cents to dollars. 0 I agrees. 50 uncirculated. $1 to $5 high-grade coins. $20 to $200. Plus error coins. $500 to $500 Tommen Tollen dollar. 500 Tommen Tollen, 500 Tommen. And in extreme, rare cases, unique mint errors or special coins can sell for huge money. Rare errors that make it valuable. This is the most important part. Don't skip. Double die error letters look doubled, especially on Liberty or date. Value hundreds to thousands of dollars. Off-center strike design is not perfectly centered. Value $100 to dollars and thousand plus. Wrong planche error coin made on the wrong metal. Extremely rare. Can be worth thousands. Monticello, steps missing or unclear. Collectors love these rare variations. How to check your coin, step by step. Take your coin and follow this. Look for 1982. Check for P mint mark. Use magnifying glass. Check for doubling or errors. Weigh the coin. Very important. Look at Monticello steps clearly. 6 biggest mistake people make most people ignore old coins, spend them without checking, or sell. Is a big mistake because one rare nickel can be worth more than hundreds of normal coins combined. History behind the 1982 nickel. The 1982 Jefferson nickel was produced during a time when the U.S. Mint was modernizing production. Even though it's not extremely old, it still has collectible value because of mint variations error, coin's condition rarity. That's why collectors are always searching for hidden gems. Let's be honest. Not every 1982 nickel is worth big money. Most are common, but rare error coins do exist. And many people don't even know they have them. So it's always worth checking before you spend that nickel. Stop! What if I told you a simple 5-cent coin in your pocket could secretly be worth thousands or even more? Today we're talking about the 2006 D Jefferson nickel, a coin most people ignore, but collectors are hunting for. Watch till the end, because you might have one right now. What is the 2006 D Jefferson nickel? The 2006 D Jefferson nickel is part of the long-running Jefferson nickel series in the United States. This coin features front, obverse, portrait of Thomas Jefferson, back, reverse, the famous Monticello building, his home. D. Mint mark means it was minted in Denver. This design returned in 2006 after special designs in 2004 to 2005. Coin weight and specifications. Here are the exact details you must know. Value, 5 cents. Weight, 5.00 grams. 75% copper, 25% nickel. Diameter, 21.21 millimeters. If your coin weight is different, it could be rare or an error coin. History behind the coin. The 2006 nickel is important because it marked the return of the classic Monticello design. After the Lewis and Clark commemorative series, 2004 to 2005, the U.S. Mint brought back the traditional look with a modern twist. The portrait of Jefferson was updated with a forward-facing design. Millions were made, but only a few are valuable today. Part 4. How much is a 2006 D nickel worth? Now let's talk about money. Normal value. Circulated coin, 5 cents to 50 cents. Uncirculated, $1 to $5. But rare value. High-grade coins, MS-65 plus $10 to $100. Error coins, $100 to $5,000 plus. And in extremely rare cases, some unique coins can reach huge collector value. Part 5. What makes it super valuable? Here's the secret. Not every 2006 D nickel is valuable. Only rare ones have big value. 1. Mint errors. Look for double die, letters look doubled. Off-center strike. Missing details. Die cracks. Error coins equals big money. Full steps. Very important. On the back of the coin, Monticello. Look at the steps at the bottom. If all steps are clear and sharp, called full steps, the value increases. A lot. 3. Perfect condition, mint state. Coins with no scratches, shiny surface, no wear. These are graded high and sell for more money. How to check your coin? Do this right now. Look for 2006 date. Check for D mint mark. Use magnifying glass. Check Monticello steps. Weigh your coin. Look for errors or unusual marks. Biggest mistake people make. Spend the coin without checking. Ignore small details. Don't know about error coins. And they lose valuable money. Can it really be worth $1 million? Let's be honest. A normal 2006 D nickel is not worth $1 million. But rare errors, unique mint mistakes, perfect condition coins can still be worth hundreds or thousands of dollars. And collectors are always searching for rare finds. Go check your coins. Look for that 2006 D nickel. Examine it carefully. Because you never know, that small coin in your pocket could be worth much more than you think. What if I told you A simple 5-cent coin in your pocket right now could be worth more than your monthly salary, or even a car. Sounds crazy, right? But the truth is, some 2,000 Jefferson nickels are secretly worth big money. And most people don't even realize it. So before you spend that nickel, watch this video till the end. Part I. What is the 2000 Jefferson nickel? The 2000 Jefferson nickel is a U.S. 5-cent coin featuring front Thomas Jefferson, back his famous home, Monticello. That's why it's often called the Monticello nickel. This coin was minted in Philadelphia, P mint mark. Denver, D mint mark. Today we're focusing on the 2000 P Jefferson nickel, which has some hidden surprises. Coin weight and metal details. Here are the exact specs you need to know. Weight: 5.00 grams. Composition: 75% copper, 25% nickel. Diameter: 21 millimeters. If your coin feels different or weighs differently, it could be something very rare. Part 3. How much is a 2000p nickel worth? Most people think it's just 5 cents, but that's not always true. Normal value: circulated, 5 cents to 50 cents. Uncirculated, $1 to $5. But rare value: high-grade coins, MS-65 plus $10 to $100. Exceptional condition: MS-67 plus, $500 plus. And in rare cases with errors, values can jump into thousands of dollars. Part 4. What makes it worth big money? Now here's the part most people don't know. 1. Mint errors. Very important. Look for double die error. Letters look doubled. Off-center strike. Clipped planchette. Cut edge. Weak or missing Monticello details. These errors can turn a normal coin into a high-value collectible. 2. Full steps FS on Monticello. This is the big secret. Look closely at the steps of the Monticello building. If the steps are fully visible and sharp, your coin is called full steps, FS. These coins are much more valuable. Thousands, 3, perfect condition, mint state. Coins with no scratches, strong shine, sharp details, can sell for much higher prices. How to check your coin. Do this right now. Look for the P mint mark. Check Monticello steps carefully. Use a magnifying glass. Look for errors or unusual marks. Check shine and condition. Ignore small coins. Spend them without checking. Don't know about full steps. That's how valuable coins get lost every day. Part 7. History of the 2000 nickel. The 2000 Jefferson nickel is part of a long-running series that started in 1938. It represents American history, Thomas Jefferson's legacy, his home, Monticello. Even though millions were made in 2000, only a small number are in perfect condition today. That's why collectors are always searching for rare versions. Reality check. Let's be honest. Not every 2000 nickel is worth thousands. Most are still common. But rare errors plus full steps plus perfect condition equals big money potential. Chew. Check your pockets. Look in your coin jar. Find that 2000p Jefferson nickel. Because you never know, that small 5-cent coin could be worth way more than you think.